Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change device name on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. By changing the phone name to your own name, it becomes easier to identify your device in a list of connected devices or when sharing files or media with others. It helps distinguish your device from others with similar default names. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First of all, please open the settings menu on your device. Okay, and then here you can scroll down. Well, after that, you can open About Phone menu. And then in this page, you can click Edit on the device name option here. Okay, and then here you can change the name of your device according to what you want. When finished, you can press Done. Okay, so now your device name is successfully changed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change device name on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.